Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to add custom liquid code in Shopify. Start by logging in to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Online Store and then choose Themes. At the top of the page, you'll see your current theme. Click the Customize button next to it. This will take you to the theme editor. Here, you can make changes to your store's layout without needing to go into the code editor. On the left-hand panel, click on Add Section in the part of the page where you want to insert your custom code. From the list of available section types, scroll down and choose Custom Liquid. This adds a blank section to your page with a box labeled Liquid Code. In this box, you can now write or paste your custom liquid code. Once you've added your code, click Save at the top right corner of the page. Then, preview your store to make sure it displays the way you expect. You can also add custom liquid sections in other parts of your site, not just the home page. For example, you can scroll down to your footer or other layout areas, click Add Section, and choose Custom Liquid again. This makes it easy to customize different parts of your theme without editing the core theme files. That's how you can add custom liquid code to your Shopify theme.